My passion for food began as a child. I just always grew up in the kitchen helping my mom or my grandmother. On my dad's side, she was a home ec teacher for many years, and she has always grown up loving food and loving teaching us how to do lots of stuff in the kitchen. And also my mom's mom, you know, both grandmothers are very talented chefs, and so I've just been blessed to always know good food. When I graduated high school, I knew that college really wasn't a good idea for me at that time, and so I thought, you know, since I'm still young and able to pursue different things, why not try out culinary school? And so my good friend Lily had also been, you know, considering the idea of culinary school, and so we thought together, hey, this could be a fun adventure to do, and it's so practical, something that we'll always have to look back on and use. I love that food is so unique to the person cooking it, the chef. Like, you can add your own twist to whatever you want, really. And so I love the unique aspect of personalizing the food you're making. After I graduate, I would love to go back to my hometown and potentially open a bakery or as my grandfather would say, sweet shop. My family is all, you know, my biggest fan, and so it's whatever I do, I know that they'll support me and it'll be exciting. But yeah, so ultimately I would love to open a little pastry shop. If I opened up a sweet shop, I would focus on things that Kroger or Walmart, you know, big commercial places don't really focus on. So, you know, like puff pastry, even though that's something that takes a lot of time on my part, I think the product is so worth, you know, that homemade bite that you get in, you know, the puff pastry that you don't really get when you buy it in the little carts of 15 or 20 at another place. The experience you get here is one that is not, as far as I know, not, you know, anywhere else. I have talked to a lot of other people who've been to other culinary schools, and I love mine. I think I got the best there is, and so I definitely would encourage someone to try this one out. I think it's great that the classes are a good, you know, there's enough of us that when we're in the kitchen, we still feel like we're hanging out with everybody, but we're at the same time giving each other space. It's such a family environment. Like, the teachers, you know, are always going around asking us how we are, how we're enjoying our school, and if we're learning a lot, you know, just always bettering ourselves and themselves.